In this video, we'll explore the app settings and management tools in the Buzzy Workspace before moving on to detailed app editing via Figma and the Buzzy plugin. To manage your app and move to the Enhance phase of the Buzzy process, you'll need to go from the App Editor back to the Buzzy Workspace. Or if you're already in the Workspace, open your app's admin interface from the main list of apps. A Buzzy Apps management interface is broken down into the following main sections. They should be familiar from the Buzzy AI app creation wizard steps. Brief. This contains the initial prompt used to create the app and the brief that Buzzy AI generated from that prompt. Data. This contains your app's data model. It includes all the data tables, fields, and actual data that make up your app. Add, edit, or delete data in this area and handle more complex functionalities such as actions, rules, and integrations. Design. At the moment, this contains the code versions of your app's screens and interface components, but we'll come back to this. Publish. This is where your app's deployments live. By default, Buzzy publishes your app as a web app on the app.buzzy.buzz server. People is where you can control admin access to your app. Invite colleagues to work on your app here. Settings is pretty self-explanatory. Control your app's name, description, publish settings, privacy status, and more in this area. The real reason we're here at the moment, though, is that we want to move on to the Enhance stage of the Buzzy process. And for that, we're going to have to take our app into Figma.